Welcome to BMW Today. Today's session is all about BMW M Performance Parts. I've got the head of product management with me, Björn Lellmann. Hi Björn.
Hi Ede.
So you're a man for design, you're the tuner. Hey, isn't M Performance Parts all about design?
No, not only design, but for sure we are focused on it because the people have first of all to love it, and then at the end we have some performance stuff for sure. It's lightweight, it's performance increase, or it's a better aerodynamic.
Some of that stuff is pretty expensive, but you're also running into small details to upgrade a BMW.
Sure.
Can you give an example on this one?
At the 2 Series we have, for example, the black badge. That's really new, so you don't need so much money for that. We have floor mats with an M Performance stitching in it. That's really cool. So we have a lot of small stuff for the beginners.
And for the experts?
We have a carbon trunk, we have a carbon bonnet, and everything in carbon if you want.
Well, I see a lot of carbon stuff in the front and also spoilers. You said it's not only about design, it's also about performance.
Yes.
How can I improve my track performance, for example?
At the end, it's quite easy because the balance of the car should be the same than at the series version also. We don't want to change this in front or in rear, but we want to increase the downforce. So at the end we have the front splitters and the rear spoilers, and they have to match together. So we check the aerodynamics of these 2 parts, for example, and then we don't change it like this, we do it like this. So we put it more, we glue it more on the street.
Okay, what else if I'm into driving?
First of all, check the weight, for example, the carbon stuff. As you know, we don't work with films, carbon films or something like that. It's real 100% carbon stuff. When you add everything, you lose 50, 60 kilograms at the car. That's really much.
Björn, you were just talking about lightweight. So on that M2, so this is a carbon bonnet as I can see. Can I open it?
No, wait, because you have to stand here and enjoy the show.
Enjoy the show. It's completely carbon. That is crazy. And also the engine cover, is it also one of your parts?
Yes, it's also one.
Well, it's really cool. Anything more? Oh, the kidney I can see is carbon fiber.
Yeah, the front splitter, and also, not so much people see it, but also the front wings. Front wings are totally carbon here, as you can hear it. Yeah, that's perfect. It looks also, in my opinion, really cool.
Björn, the most crazy part you guys have in the option portfolio?
A lot of customers, they asked us why the M2 don't have a carbon fiber roof. And then I said, okay, maybe so we have to do that, right? So we change on this car the roof. It's a normal M2 roof, and then we take it off and glue the new one in. Totally crazy, I know.
Okay, well, we have to talk about the golden wheels, Björn. Are they just for the look, or are they also good for performance?
Okay, this frozen gold, it sticks in your eyes, but it's not only that, it's also the weight. Because we have here a weight reduction of 2 kilograms per piece. So it's 8 rounds, so at the end I think that's really cool.
The brake color has changed to red. Just a look? Or again, some performance factors in it?
It's a big brake, it's a 19-inch brake with the 6 pistons. You can also order it as an option, but then the brake is gray.
We're talking about the front end. We say there's a lot of carbon stuff in there to reduce the weight. You were telling me, I'm listening, the car needs to be balanced. So, is there anything on the rear?
Sure, I show you. But please, now you can open it.
My turn?
Yes.
Well, that's crazy, man. That's a completely M Performance trunk lid. Pretty cool and super light.
Really light, yes, I love it too. We have also M Performance Parts interior components. For example, as you can see here, the really nice steering wheel with the Alcantara parts.
That's a cool grip.
Yeah.
I love it. So, Björn, a whole lot of options to pick, but it doesn't improve the driver, right?
Not really, you're totally right. But at the end, maybe it helps a little bit.
Definitely it does. So thanks for watching BMW Today, and from now on you can't blame it on the car anymore. It's all about you. Thanks for watching.